Hi everyone and welcome again for a new video. Valia by Emaar will be located in Dubai Creek Harbour in this location. So now I just came and I had a training about Valia, what they will have, and I'm gonna take you now to the mock-up and the big model to show you the exact plot, and we speak about pricing and when there will be exact launch. This is the entire Creek Harbour. This is the water canal, and then here is the creek, and this is the creek tower and the mall which will be located here. So from the name of Valia in Arabic means near, which is this building which will be near to the creek and near to the mall. So regarding the pricing, so can you imagine that average price per square foot in this building will be from 2,400 till 2,500 per square foot, which is amazing price per square foot till now in Creek Harbour. So take the chance. So this is Valia Tower. So it consists from 1, 2, 3 and 4 bedroom apartments. All the units have different view typology and configuration. It really looks good, which with there is limited inventory when it comes to the higher number of units apartments, which is 4 bedrooms. So of course there is amenities will be in the first podium level, but all the floors will be mixed for apartments. So let's go now to speak about the numbers. So now let's come to the numbers. So as I mentioned, so the price per square feet from 2,400 till 2,500 dirhams per square foot. The average sizes for the one bed, it's 800 plus. So it will be from 2 million dirhams. Now let's go to the payment plan and the anticipated handover date. The project will be handover on 2030. Payment plan is 20% down payment, and every year you're gonna pay 20%. On the handover, you're gonna pay 20% finish, which means that's the normal and regular payment plan that Emaar offers to the investors. 80% during construction and 20% on handover. That was all about Valia project announced. They are collecting now the AOI, which is 50,000 per unit, and for the full floor, 500,000 dirhams. That was all about Valia project. Contact me if you are interested. Let's arrange a Zoom, or if you are here, we can meet in the sales center. Thank you so much and see you in the next project.